This is what I came here to see.
Oh yeah, man, it costs a couple mil to build, but here, take a quick look at it. I mean, it's nice. It's great.
Yeah, it looks really nice. I can see that it's very well built. It's got all the things that you would need for it to do its purpose.
Look what it does.
I'm gonna need these. I just gotta put this right here. Here we go. That was nice.
Well, that was actually pretty cool.
I know.
Well, that got wrecked.
Yes. Yes, it did, of course. Of course it did. I have an idea. Let's crush this.
No! Put it back.
Okay. What's this in your pants? We can crush it.
Yes.
Oh, crap.
This up.
Oh. Oh. It worked. Let's crush this one. Let's do it.
All right. What are we gonna crush next?
This is a Norwegian fire brick egg. I incubated it for 3 days. No sleep, no food, no water. Ah! Bye.
What is it, man? Put that on! Put that on! Put that on! Put that on!
Don't worry, my boy. Everything's gonna be just alright.
Are you sure this is safe?
I'm perfectly certain that everything's gonna be okay.
I'm not comfortable with this. Can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs. Curse you.
I have an idea. Jamaican punch for your nourishment. And the Farmer's Almanac for your personal enjoyment.
Thank you for liking, commenting,
and subscribing.